Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can create a 3D text similar to this what you're seeing on the screen. So let's get started. I have already made one composition here you can see, and there is a background, you can see this animation, background animation. So let's add text. I'll just center it. So now you can see there's a 2D text, so we need to convert it to 3D. So we need some extrusion here. So I'll go here in the text layer here, and here you can see the option of 3D icon. So click on this. And right now you can see this is now 3D text. So if you're not seeing these two options after converting your layer to 3D, go back to composition, settings, and here you can see a 3D render. Make sure it's Cinema 4D, not Classic 3D. Then only will see this 2, 3 all option here. As you can see, it will support these things. So now I'll go to this geometry options here and we'll add some extrusion and bevel. For that, if I do right now, you won't be able to see because it's in front camera. So I'll go for the 2 views. And here we have our top view. Now if you extrude, you can see the depth. So I'll go to this extrusion option. I'll make it around 120. I'll make this. So this is the depth we have right now here. And the bevel option we have on the top, I'll choose concave. But still we can't see here because we don't have any lights here. So I'll add 2 lights, one for back, other for front. So let's create 2 lights. I'll move this to 1. I'll leave here. I'll take it further, and then I'll make a copy of this and we'll move it back. So now you can see here some depth here. If I switch off, you can see it's looking flat. Now you can see the depth. And I'll go slightly closer just to see the bevel option. I'll make this to full quality so that you can see. I hope you can see this curve here. I'll go again back to text layer and we will increase the bevel depth from 2 to I'll make it 6. Then I will be able to see this. So I'll choose a concave to convex. You can see the difference, or you can make it angular. If I'm liking this, I'll leave this one. Now let's add keyframe, just similar to what I showed you earlier. So you can see it's coming. So you need to add 2 keyframes, one for position, one for rotation. So let's go back to our composition and we'll go to transform. So let's press P for position. We'll add 2 keyframes. One is coming from the here to this place. So I'll go to 3.5 seconds. I'll add 1 keyframe and first I'll add 1 keyframe. So we have one basic keyframe here. From here it's coming to original position. Let's make it to quarter as my system will not support. I'll go back to 1 view. So it's straight coming from outside to the original position. Now we need to make it rotated so that it comes. So I'll go to this. I'll press R and go to X rotation here. 1 keyframe and other one at here. So let's make this one -90 and select both of them and right click. Go to keyframe assistant, make it easy. Now let's see the animation here. You can play with the lights to make it more dramatic, and you can add some effects like light burst rays or something like that when text is coming back to make it more spicy. I'll play back again. So this is the way we can create, one of the ways you can create 3D text easily in After Effects. I hope you find this tutorial useful. If you like the tutorial, please leave a like. Thank you so much for watching.